Man, when I get a species, I get a species. I don't know what these blackbirds are, but there's a lot of them. I think I just saw a blue jay. Hey, white tip. You looking at all the birds? You looking at all these birds and saying, whoa, whoa, look at my neighbors. Yeah, you got an army. You got your own army. We're gonna do a little test. I have 5 nuts that I found of the black walnuts. And we'll see if he'd rather have those or a hazelnut. Are those all rejected nuts? You want a hazelnut? You want that? Yeah, he wants the hazelnut. See, these came from his area where he lives. And I wondered if they purposely rejected them. I guess they did. Rover's playing in the dirt and having a great time. Well, yeah, again, I call it playing. She's probably like, Amy, this is hard work, man. Keep on going, Rover. You gonna come up to me instead? And she was really going at it when I first saw her, but I had to get my phone out. Here you go, Rovy. Rover. He was just doing this in the middle of the street. He's eating a nut, laying in the street, and it's like, dude, we can't do this. This is one of my people. I'm on a bike ride, so I'm a ways away, but it's one of my people. I was like, dude, no, you can't. It's a hot day, and I know that feels good, but don't do that in the street, okay? Bye, sweetie.